Hi, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about our insurance automation and why these automations are really valuable for a startup business. So, every startup business, regardless of where you are, what do, you have to look after your insurance renewals, compliance. That's startup manager's responsibility to make sure insurances are done on time, and it's very important. And one thing I've seen in every startup business is you have an Excel file. You have your starter system which holds the details and stuff, but they always track it using an Excel file. And Excel files are not the world's best thing to keep such important thing, because if the file get corrupted, that's it, you lose it. And the other thing is, the file's never going to come and tell you, hey, these are the renewals coming up for you in your portfolio for this particular time. And it's not going to say, hey, you send this information to this person and we still haven't received the codes, or we are still waiting for information from the commercial tenants for a particular startup plan if you have a commercial portfolio. Oh, it's not gonna actually just help you with drafting those communications, keeping track of everything, and staying on top of it. Excel is good, your system is good, but you have to stay on top of these things. You have to make sure you do your reminders. You have to go and draft those emails. You have to do all those things. A lot of work. If you have a decent portfolio, large organizations have dedicated people doing these things. A small firm, strata manager has to do it. They have to look after their portfolio, and these are very time consuming tasks. So that's why we actually introduced the insurance automation, or the insurance functionality, which is one of the very first things we actually built into Merlo. And I want to just show you a little bit about it and see how quickly, easily you can do some of those things within Merlo. So in Merlo, we have the Teams agent, we have the email agent, we have our dashboard, which will actually give you that full view of everything what's going on in your business. These are things that actually can help strata managers with running an efficient operation. Merlo will keep track of your compliances, insurance or fire, whatever it is. Merlo will keep track of them. Merlo will do the reminders. Merlo will reach out to your brokers. Merlo will reach out to your draft the emails that you need, that you can send to your commercial tenants, your committee, preparation, sharing your quotes with the committee. You don't have to go and draft email. You don't have to put all those things together. Merlo will do it. Either you can do it from the Teams agent, or you can just press a button in your dashboard and Merlo will do it. So for us, it's I've been doing this automation, business automation, for 30 years, almost 30 years now. And what I want to do in the strata industry is to bring that experience that I learned in consumer goods and FMCG, because they are like decades ahead what we have in strata industry right now. So we build our platform to allow strata managers to run these efficiencies, introduce these efficiencies into their business. So I'm gonna quickly share my screen and show you a little bit about our dashboard. So the dashboard is what you're looking at over here. This is our dashboard. So beginning of the month, Merlo go and check what are the insurance renewal coming up in the next 3 months, and come and create all those things in here. We get that information from your Strata system, or if you have your own Excel file, you can, for one time, you can upload it into Merlo, and Merlo will track it. And moving on, you don't need your Excel files. We actually don't want you to use Excel files. Merlo will track all that. You come here, you can see that, and then you have your key metrics here. You can filter your information. You can see by strata manager, you can see by the renewal period and all these things, statuses, renewal dates. You can have all these things, and then you can always go and see, all right, which ones are, well, that's funny. So I'm gonna quickly go in. I'm not gonna restart this. So if I actually go into awaiting instructions, these are the ones that are waiting instructions. That means these are newly identified ones. All I have to do is I can go and say, yeah, I want to send it to this insurance broker. I want to request codes. So I'm going to go and say this one. I want to send out quotes. And then what you're going to see is you have two options. You can get Merlo to automatically send these emails to your brokers and things, or you can do the safety approach and you can go in and here's that email. So Merlo drafted that email. It's ready to go with all the information that we pick from your Strata system, and it's ready to go to your broker. And any given moment you can always go in and have a look at your things. You can do quite a bit of things. You can overdo a valuation override, you can request valuations, you can view if there's any commercial lots there, lots, so that you can actually trigger those messages to your commercial lot owners. And quite a lot of these things that you can't do with your Excel file or with your current Strata system, you can do that with Merlo. So awaiting valuations, you can request valuations and so on and so forth. So that's what it is. And then the other thing I want to show you is once you receive your quotes and proposals from your Strata managers, from your broker, you don't have to do drafting emails, putting things there, preparing emails and all those things. You can either use our Ballot functionality, which is built for that. You can just drag and drop everything into Merlo and say, hey, create a ballot for this, and Merlo will send the ballot. Merlo will do the follow-ups. Merlo will do everything, and all you need to do is once the ballot is ready, complete, you can always come back and collect the this is actually not an insurance ballot, so I'm going to say this is a renewal ballot. There you go. So you can actually collect all your information, who voted for which one, what it is, and you can mark it complete. You have your minutes from our Ballot functionality. You can download the minutes, you can keep records of everything. Merlo will do all that for you. You don't have to maintain most of we look after all the tracking and compliance. So then the next one is, let's say you have you're waiting for a quotation for one of these renewals. So if you can see that board over there, it actually shows the progress as it goes, has the renewal progresses. And if you, let's say you receive the quote, all you need to do is drag and drop that into Merlo chat, and then from your Outlook the email, and Merlo will draft it. Let's jump in and have a look at it. All right, so for this one I had to jump onto my VM, and as you can see, we received a insurance proposal from the broker, and it has everything that we need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop that one into Merlo Teams Agent. Teams Agent is where actually we have the most power. That it's your assistant, AI assistant, right? So all you need to do is just look at that email and then just drag and drop into it, and then have the conversation like normal. Yeah. All right, so now I'm actually in my VM Windows computer. So what I'm going to do is I can see that I received an email from my broker for the Strata plan, that we are waiting for it, and he sent it to me. All I need to do is just drag and drop my email into Merlo chat, and then Merlo chat asks Merlo, give it a single prompt to say, hey, draft the email to the committee. You don't have to do the put any documents in. You don't have to draft the email. You don't have to add Strata committee contacts, attachments, anything like that. Simple prompt. Merlo will read the email, see what are the attachments in the email, and use your template. So there's a template. You can keep your own template that you want to use, or otherwise Merlo will analyze the proposal and draft it on its own. So Merlo will use all this, draft it, and everything. So 5604, there you go. So so this one, it may take a little bit longer, because when I say a little bit longer, it's actually never more than 2 minutes, because it has to copy over all the attachments, get all the attachments in, draft the email, go get the template, fetch everything in, and then information from the Strata system, committee contact emails and everything, add all that, create that in Outlook, draft it, it's all ready to go. So let's wait and see how this works. Yeah, it's always batteries running out of juice. Let me plug it in. Yep, good. All right, let's wait and see. There you go. So that's how quick it is. So it actually created everything. It's going to do all that, and then if I go into my own email, because I'm logged in as that, there you go guys, that's the email, everything populated, attachments added. How sweet, and how quickly, how efficiently you can run your operation with this one. So that's just one example. Merlo have skills to handle your COC, invoice emails, your your commercial tenant in emails, all those scenarios, every stage of the insurance process. Merlo can help you with your task and things like that. That's how powerful it is. All right. So let me jump back to my Mac now. So as you can see, it's really powerful, and this is what real businesses need. Excel is a stopgap, right? You have a gap, you identify it, you temporarily use it, right? It's not meant to be for running and managing your compliances. There was a gap in the market for us, we identified, and that's why we built it. With Merlo, you can actually in the morning, you don't have to go in and track your Excel and things like that. You just have to ask Merlo, hey, show me all the renewals, where are we at with it, and things like that. Every Monday morning, you'll get an email briefing with your entire portfolio, what's happening, what are they, where are we waiting for any codes, are we waiting for anything, where is there anything reaching risky, are we running out of time for a renewal, and things like that. So that's the power of Merlo, and that's the power of these features that Merlo offers, helps you to run a more efficient, more capable business. And I'm sure you cannot see the power and the difference between running these things Excel, whether your insurance, with your fire compliance and things like that, and running it through a system that actually can do 70 to 80% of the work, manual work. All you need to do is press buttons and do few prompts, and everything else is done. So if you're interested, if you're keen, sign up for a demo. I'll be more than happy to show you how it works. This functionality works for all our versions, even the Merlo Starter, that is pretty much targeting organizations that Strata systems that we don't have integrations with. But we have strong integrations to things like Strata Master, Urbanize in place, and IntelliStrata as well. So we have a lot of Strata systems in Australia that, like, in 1995 operates like so. So we are like, look, we don't want to go and try to integrate everything if we can't deliver value to our users. I mean, what's the point of integrating? So if you're keen, love to show you how it works. Otherwise, I might actually do a webinar someday soon to take you through this, because we are doing so many changes, so many improvements and upgrades to this functionality. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.